How to be successful, your ultimate guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that everyone wants to know more about. How to be successful. Whether you're aiming for career success, personal growth, or just living a fulfilling life, this video has got you covered. Let's get started. 1. Define your success. First things first, what does success mean to you? Success is different for everyone. For some, it might be about making money, while for others, it's about finding happiness or making a difference. Take a moment to think about your own version of success. Write it down, make a vision board, or even just keep it in mind as we go through these tips. 2. Set smart goals. Now that you know what success looks like for you, it's time to set some goals. But not just any goals, smart goals. That means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Breaking your big dreams into smaller, actionable steps makes them much easier to tackle and keeps you on track. Remember, small steps lead to big changes. 3. Embrace a growth mindset. Next up, it's all about mindset. Ever heard of a growth mindset? It's the belief that you can grow and improve through effort and learning. Instead of seeing failures as setbacks, see them as opportunities to grow. Trust me, this shift in perspective can make a world of difference. 4. Stay consistent and persistent. Let's talk about consistency and persistence. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of showing up every day and putting in the work, even when things get tough. Keep pushing forward and remember, every step counts, no matter how small. 5. Learn from setbacks. Failures are part of the journey, but they're not the end. Use setbacks as learning experiences. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? And then use that knowledge to move forward even stronger. Many successful people faced countless failures before they made it big. 6. Build a support network. Don't forget about the people around you. Having a strong support network can make all the difference. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who lift you up and inspire you to keep going. Together, you can achieve more than you ever could alone. 7. Take care of your health. Your health is just as important as your goals. Success is great, but it won't mean much if you're not healthy enough to enjoy it. Make sure to take care of your body and mind. Eat well, exercise, and take breaks when you need them. Balance is key. 8. Be open to change. Life is full of surprises, and sometimes your path to success might take unexpected turns. Stay flexible and open to change. You never know where a new opportunity might lead you. Embrace the journey, even if it takes you in a direction you didn't plan. 9. Keep learning. The world is always evolving, and to stay successful, you need to keep learning. Whether it's picking up a new skill, reading books, or just staying curious, continuous learning keeps you sharp and ready for whatever comes your way. 10. Give back. And finally, true success isn't just about what you achieve for yourself. It's about the impact you have on others. Whether it's through mentoring, volunteering, or simply being kind, giving back can bring a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment to your life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. What does success mean to you? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep striving for your dreams.